Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Oneodio Studio Max 1 and you can clearly see that you get a lot of accessories in it. It's a $180 flagship headphone from Oneodio. I'm very happy to test and review it. My first impressions are very good and you can see that this box is absolutely beautiful and I really like the silver contrast with black and it gives a little flagship feeling. And this is the headphone box, which is very huge. It has a lot of specs and you can pause the video and see all the details. So I will just move on and tell you what are the accessories. The Oneodio Studio Max headphones, and the build quality is very impressive and it's not heavy. Let me tell you that this is not heavy at all, and the design is also the same, just like most of Oneodio headphones. And but the build quality is very excellent. $180 is a perfect price for this headphone, but this is not my final verdict because I haven't tested the sound quality, and I'll give my final impressions and recommendations when I test its sound quality. Then you get type C charging cable, and this is transmitter. They are calling it a decoder, and this is a removable headphone jack. And then you get a very high quality pouch, and I don't know how to use it because it's built very differently, so I will see how does it work. But the quality is excellent, if you can see, because it's very dark, but the quality is very excellent. It's a very big pouch. And then you get Oneodio user manual and functional guide. Like, it's very easy to understand. So Oneodio gives a very easy detail of their products, so that's what I really like about them. So that's it, and I think now I will test them. Let's see how does it sound, because if they sound good, I think $180 is the perfect price for this headphone, because you get a lot of things and the box is also very good, very flagship kind of. So without further delay, let me test it and then I will provide you my final analysis. Thank you. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my most unique video I have ever made, and the reason is that I am reviewing this headphone 6 months after its unboxing. I have never done this before, so let's start my review. I like this headphone so much that I can't describe it to you guys. I have used countless headphones in my life, but this is what I have used the most. Oneodio Studio Max 1. This is a flagship headphone with very fair price. Its official price is $170, but don't worry, here's how you can get it more cheaply. I will provide you the best discount code in the description. You have to apply it when purchasing it on AliExpress. And what's even more interesting is that when it's on sale, its price gets too much low, and I don't think you can ever get a better deal than this. And you can see that the box is a very big box and a very perfect one. The packaging and presentation of this headphone is very good. The unboxing experience is great, and I am very surprised to see such a low price to get this product when it's on sale. If I compare this with FiO FT1 or FT1 Pro, I will choose this one. There is no doubt that those headphones are great, but this comes with a lot of things. For example, it's wired and wireless too, with insane 120-hour playback time. The packaging is better than FT1 and FT1 Pro also. Although the few headphones had a proper case in them, but here you just get a pouch but of very high quality. And you get a transmitter here also. So comparing all these things, honestly speaking, I think this one is a better option in terms of fair deal. Now coming to the most important topic. As far as the sound quality is concerned, it's very impressive. Soft, smooth and balanced. Again, soft, smooth and balanced, very detailed and powerful. Bass is perfectly composed, treble is also balanced, mids are not forward but not recessed as well, they are really in the middle. But one thing is very clear, it has a lot of detail and everything is super smooth, very soft yet very powerful. One of the best headphones I have ever used, and they are super comfortable to wear also, no pressure whatsoever, not a little pain. Very fast Bluetooth connectivity as well, just one touch and it connects. Similarly, the button controls are also very easy to use. I mean, you easily recognize the button functions. And then comes another factor which is really good, and that is that it is very powerful but still it doesn't have weight. It's a balanced or somewhat lightweight headphones as well. You can feel it's heavy, but you also feel that it's not too heavy like a flagship headphone. So everything is just so perfect and I am really impressed. Now it's time for my recommendation. Of course, I 100% genuinely recommend this headphone. You can also go and check its reviews online. It has 100% positive reviews. For example, you can see here all the reviews are of 5 stars and no one has given even 4 stars as well. So the sound wise they are just perfect. I don't have anything else to say except this, that this is an extraordinary device. You will absolutely love it. This is going to be one of my top 5 audio products to recommend. Must use the discount code to get it more cheaper and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video.